IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Are there any sounds you like? Band 5. Answer.
Yes, I like some sounds, such as music and rain. These sounds make me feel relaxed and calm. I usually listen to music when I am tired.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Simple ideas, limited development. Lexical resource, basic, repetitive vocabulary. Grammar, mostly correct but very simple structures. Pronunciation, generally clear but flat. Typical of a Band 5, safe, short, and slightly boring, but understandable. Band 7.5 Answer.
Yes, there are definitely some sounds I enjoy, especially the sound of rain at night and acoustic music. They help me unwind after a long day and improve my mood. I often play soft music while working because it helps me concentrate.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, smooth flow with logical expansion. Lexical resource, good range, e.g., unwind, concentrate. Grammar, mostly accurate with some variety. Pronunciation, clear and natural. Typical of a Band 7.5, confident, controlled, and well-developed. Band 9 Answer.
Absolutely. I'm particularly fond of subtle ambient sounds like rainfall or distant ocean waves because they're both calming and immersive. Interestingly, I find these sounds far more effective than music when I need to relax or focus deeply.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless and cohesive. Lexical resource, precise and sophisticated, immersive, subtle. Grammar, flexible and accurate. Pronunciation, natural, expressive, and varied. Typical of a Band 9, polished, nuanced, and quietly impressive. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.